Is your dream phone a bit out of your budget? Do you keep hold of your old phones just in case you need them? Did you know you could make your old phone pay for a new one? At Pocket Geek Tech Repair, we don't just repair phones, but we buy and sell them too. Being part of Assurant, we're able to tap into their global supply chain, meaning we have access to top-notch pre-owned devices, but we can buy and resell phones in any condition too. All pre-owned devices undergo rigorous testing and repairs before being sold in our shops, and the devices we buy are fed into the cycle to be either refurbished and resold, used for parts, or sold to third world countries. We are big on minimizing waste and being kind to the planet, which has a great side effect of saving you money. It couldn't be easier. Bring your unwanted tech to your local store for evaluation. You will be able to take the cash or put the money towards a new pre-owned device. Simple. Better for the planet and your wallet. Pocket Geek Tech Repair. Keeping you connected.